Okay, so on this question, we are wanting to solve a square root equation. We actually have two roots in this one. So what do? Step number one, we're going to need to parentheses second power, both sides. That's how we handle roots, right? We two power them. So I come in here and I go parentheses and two power. Okay, so what does that always do? Whenever we two power, it means two of them, right? So I'm going to write two of them. So it's going to be 8. It's going to be 8 square root of x, 8 square root of x on the other side. Okay, so we're going to have and parentheses around this, like so. Okay, so whoops. Okay, so there's what it does. It makes two of them on both sides. That's what a parenthesis two power just makes two of them. Okay, now how does that work? Well, over here, 8 times 8 is 64. And root x is 1 plain x, no longer in a root. Do you see what happened there? Remember when you have things, and that's the same thing that happens over here, is we just get 1 plain 5x plus 2 out of the root. So let me pause and explain that. Make sure that's clear. Remember, square roots are a 2-for-1 deal, right? So these two x's that were in the root send 1 x out, not x squared, but just 1 x out, right? They're a 2-for-1 deal. 2, right? That's the jailbreak. That's how they get out of the root. 2 x's in the root, send 1 x out of the root. 2-for-1 deal. Same thing over here with the square roots. 2 5x plus 2's in the root, sends 1 5x plus 2 out of the root. That's what square roots always do. Whereas these 8s are not in the jail. They're not in the prison. They're just 8 times 8, 64, right? They're not going out or anything. They're not 2-for-1 because they're not in the root. They're outside the root. They're in front of the root. They're just 8 times 8 is 64. Is that good? And now, what do we do from here? Just solve for x. Now that the square roots are gone, it's just a more normal question. We say, okay, just when you have x's on both sides, right? You gotta get rid of one of them. So subtract 5x from both sides. Boom, boom. What is this? 59x. This is 2. Like so. Last step, divide by the 59. Boom, boom. There we go. There's our answer. 2 over 59. And they want you to put it in as a fraction. They don't want a decimal. If you notice up here, it says reduced fraction, a over b. They don't want a decimal. You type in the answer, 2 over 59. There we go.